Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're diving into an exciting and highly relevant topic in the world of software development, creating a multi-currency crypto wallet. Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm, and knowing how to build a wallet that supports various coins can give you a significant edge. So, let's get started. We'll be using Java for our implementation, given its versatility and robustness. First, we need to set up our development environment and make sure we have the necessary libraries. We'll primarily rely on the Web3j library for Ethereum support and maybe a few libraries for other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Let's set up our project. You can use Maven or Gradle for project management. In this tutorial, we'll use Maven. Create a new Maven project and add the following dependencies to your pom.xml. Once you've added the dependencies, we can start building our base wallet structure. Let's create a class named Crypto Wallet, which will hold information for each supported currency. The Crypto Wallet class maintains a mapping of currencies to their respective balances. This allows us to scale and support multiple cryptocurrencies easily. Next, let's add methods to manage these balances. Now that we have methods to add and remove currencies, let's implement a way to check the balance of any coin in our wallet. Adding this method will help users understand how much of each currency they have available. After implementing the basic functionality, it's essential to allow the wallet to interact with external services. For instance, you might want to fetch current cryptocurrency prices. To achieve this, we can utilize a crypto price API. Let's use the CoinGecko API to retrieve the prices of various cryptocurrencies. With the method in place to fetch crypto prices, we can now enhance our wallet to display the total value of all currencies held in the wallet. This will give users a better understanding of how much their holdings are worth in fiat currency. Now, let's move on to improve security and encryption for wallet data. We'll use Java's built-in libraries to securely store the private keys for each cryptocurrency. In addition to encrypting the private keys, it's equally important to implement proper error handling. This will allow us to gracefully handle failures such as network errors when fetching price data. Now, let's create a simple command line interface for our wallet application. This will allow users to perform operations such as adding currencies, checking balances, and viewing the total value from the console. As for error handling in the command line interface, we should ensure that users cannot input invalid values for their actions. This will help maintain the integrity of our wallet. As a next step, consider how you might persist this wallet data to disk. Serialization provides a means to convert our wallet state to a byte stream and store it as a file, ensuring that users don't lose their data. For future improvements, think about adding support for more cryptocurrencies or integrating with exchanges for real-time trading capabilities. The world of crypto is vast, and there's much more to explore. Thank you for watching. I hope you've gained valuable insights on how to build a multi-currency cryptocurrency wallet using Java. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your feedback in the comments section below. Until next time, happy coding!